Let me ask you a question. Do you find it difficult to handle a situation when your boss or your customer is angry at you, and especially when you are not wrong? Yes, then keep watching this. Hey, this is RajivKumarLuv and I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 artfully vague phrases that you can use against an angry boss or an angry customer. So here are the 3 phrases. Let's take the boss is angry for some reason and he's yelling at you and shouting at you. You did this and you did that and you did this wrong and blah 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 blah. Now when he takes a small break in between, you use the first artfully vague phrase, and that is, you may be right. Or you can put your head down and say, yeah, you may. Now, when you're saying you may be right, in your mind you may be saying you are bloody wrong. But you can't tell him you are wrong, and you're not even telling him you are right. You are just saying, yeah, you may be right. And then he again keeps shouting blah 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 blah. And then you use your second phrase, and that is, yes, you've got a point. And in your mind you're thinking, you have got a bloody stupid point, but you've got a point. And then he continues with still more anger and still more steam coming at you. So you use the third artfully vague phrase, and that is, I too feel it as intensely as you feel it. And you may be feeling it intensely, for 1 second in 1 year. But you also say, I too feel it as intensely as you feel it. And then as the anger keeps going on, you keep, repeating these 3 phrases over and over again. Yeah, you may be right. You've got a point. Yeah, I too feel it as intensely as you feel it. And then as the boss or the customer's anger intensity goes down, then you could politely tell them, I think this is not a right time to speak. Why don't we speak sometime later? And then leave it at that. You don't raise the tone of your voice. You don't lower the tone of your voice, because if you lower, you become submissive. You raise your voice, you become aggressive. So use these 3 artfully vague phrases. Number 1, you may be right. Number 2, you've got a point. Number 3, I too feel it as intensely as you. So I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.